In this video, you will learn how to use the doubles and halves strategy to multiply numbers more flexibly. This strategy helps you break apart multiplication expressions and make them easier to solve. Start with small numbers and concrete models, like arrays, to help you visualize how it works. Try it with the expression 4 times 5. Start by building an array, 4 rows of 5 counters. Now decide which number is easier to divide by 2. In this case, have the 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Next, double the other factor. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now multiply the two new factors. 2 times 10 equals 20. So 4 times 5 equals 20. The doubles and halves strategy also works with larger numbers. Give it a try with 25 times 12. First, have the 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now double the 25. 25 times 2 equals 50. You now have a new expression, 50 times 6. Still tricky? You can use the strategy one more time. Have the 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Double the 50. 50 times 2 equals 100. Now multiply. 100 times 3 equals 300. 100 times 3 gives the same product as 25 times 12, but it's a much easier expression to solve. The doubles and halves strategy also works with decimals, but only if it makes the numbers easier to work with. Try 2 and 4 tenths times 5. Have the 2 and 4 tenths. 2 and 4 tenths divided by 2 equals 1 and 2 tenths. Double the 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now multiply the new factors. 10 times 1 and 2 tenths equals 12. Same answer, just easier to solve. This strategy also works with integers, but be sure to keep track of the signs. Try 4 times negative 5. Have the 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Double the negative 5. Negative 5 times 2 equals negative 10. Now multiply. 2 times negative 10 equals negative 20. The strategy works the same, but the sign matters. The doubles and halves strategy helps you multiply by adjusting the numbers to make mental math easier. Double one factor. Have the other. Multiply the new expression. Sometimes you can use the strategy more than once for the same expression. And sometimes, like with certain decimals, it might not help at all, so let the numbers guide you. Keep practicing, and you'll learn to choose the best strategy for the problem. Want to explore more multiplication strategies? Visit empowerec.com and check out the Math Strategy Quick Guide for more tools that build confidence, number sense, and flexible thinking.